Welcome back to the Flutter course. I hope you are still excited about it. Let's start right away by opening Android Studio, our new project inside this one. So I will go inside, open an existing Android Studio project. Even though it's a Flutter project, it will still work. So I will bring this page right here and I will go and see user, my name, and then it will be desktop. So this is where I saved the project. I have this one, Flutter Learn the Basics. So you just click on this. You will see inside you have like Android, iOS, library. So you just need to click on the name of the project. You say OK. And this will open the project inside Android Studio. And as I told you, we will use Visual Studio. So maybe you ask, why did you open the project in Android Studio? It's because we will go on AVD Manager. You click this button. Okay, and then you press play. That's good. This is just to open the emulator. So now we can close the window and we can close the Android Studio. It was just to open the emulator. That's great. Next, we will go in Explorer and I will double click on Explorer. Can I do it? Okay, that's good. I will quit extension. I will go in File. I will do the same thing, open folder. I will go in my desktop and I will find my Flutter Learn the Basics. Select folder. Good. So we have opened the project. I will put this on side and I have my emulator on the right. Let's make it just a little bit smaller. Good. So what we will do is we will go on lib. You click library. This is what I call it. And you go on main. Double click on this. And you press the play button, which is start debugging. If you don't have the play button, you can go on run and start debugging. You have the same thing. You can press F5 if you want also. Good, so this is running. I will just fast forward until this run. And just a little tip, maybe it will take 5 minutes to load the emulator. The emulator takes a lot of computer power. So if your computer is not the best one, it may take a little while to open the emulator. And if you run it, it may take another 5 minutes to run the app. So you see the app has run because the computer I use have a lot of power. Good. So we have opened the Flutter project inside this video. I try to put every video like under 5 minutes. So what we will do in the next one, we will start to play around with Flutter, just to understand how it works. So this video was just to run the emulator. See you in the next one. Bye.